Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Asian markets fell as traders took a step back following last week's rally, with Federal Reserve officials looking to temper expectations the US Central Bank will cut interest rates several times next year. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has delayed its decision on the listing of the Grayscale Ethereum Futures Trust ETF, according to a regulatory filing. Grayscale joins a list of firms whose petitions have either been delayed or denied by the top US markets regulator. Japan's Nippon Steel clinched a deal to buy US Steel for $14.9 billion in cash, prevailing in an auction for the 122-year-old iconic steelmaker over rivals including Cleveland-Cliffs, ArcelorMittal and Nucor.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 0300 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 hours GMT. The UK's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US housing starts at 13:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.